Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a yarn review. I was at Walmart yesterday and I saw this yarn on the shelves. So this is called the Red Heart Roll With It. So this is the first time. There was only 3 of this and I grabbed the 3 colors that they had on the shelves. Oh my goodness. It reminds me of the yarns that I bought from Michael's Caron something something. And then I ordered online. I believe it was Red Heart. But I ordered it through Amazon. So this is the first time it was in my hand. I touched it, I felt it, and I bought it. So this is from Walmart here in Edmonton. And then the third color was this color. The colors that I bought from Amazon, I'm going to be knitting a cardigan. So I haven't gone through it yet. I just need to, like the pattern, the stitch has to talk to me. Usually my knit items are top down. So you all know all this information. It's 150 grams, 5.29 ounces. 389 yards and 356 meters. It's 100% acrylic. And I'm looking at it. I didn't even look at this. Okay, this is a 4-weight. Okay, but when you look at it, some of the places of the yarns, it looks like a 3-weight. So I said to myself, let me work this on my Sentro knitting machine over there. Okay, I am knitting for donations, and the more I knit, the more, the better it is. The past years, I've been knitting 20 scarves and 20 hats. So this is from Dollarama. I purchased. So I'm trying to decrease and make lots of scarves this year. I think I'm over 30 at the moment. I haven't counted. It's in a huge box. So let's get started on how this is going to work on the Sentro knitting machine. I sold my Addy knitting machine because it was only 46 needles, and this one has 48. So I prefer this one, and this one knits perfect as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, and hopefully, and then, so stay tuned. I have another tutorial coming. I already shared a short with you, what I'm planning to do, and I'm going to go with this yarn. Okay, this is the Kaboo Lion brand. I already did a review about it. I just love it, love it, love it. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do some tricks with this. I am still knitting the peach one. I have a tutorial for this. So this is on working process as I go. I'm knitting one of the sleeves at the moment. And just have a little bit left to finish the 4th ball. We'll see how long it's going to take. 400 grams to knit one sleeve. Being a plus size, that's a different story. So let me pause you. I'm going to see what I mean. Like, this doesn't look like a 4-weight. It looks more like a 3-weight. Some of the yarn, like here, it looks like a 4-weight. It's a roving yarn. So let me, if you're wondering where I bought this basket, I bought it from Temu. I love Temu. And it has a cover, so no dust will go into it. No bugs. I don't have any bugs in the house, but you never know, right? A spider will come and crawl. But yeah, it's just fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. I bought 4 of this in a pack. I believe I paid $21 and some change in Canadian. So I love this, love this. So this is what I bought from Walmart yesterday. These 3 are going to go for donations, and those are going to be on my projects that I'm going to be working on. So let me just haul my Sentro, and let's get started. Okay, so I already finished another scarf, so we're gonna move this. I just need to join the ends here. Okay, so let's find the beginning. I usually put a weight, and then I go one, skip, skip, and then I do this all the way around. You will notice that I have a silicone here. I kept on falling off. I had to discard the ones that kept on falling, and I thought, dang, why don't I put a tape on it? So this is holding it perfectly. At least I'm not getting, I'm not wasting those silicones. They're pretty pricey. I bought these from Temu. It's way decent than Amazon, which I bought, and I can't find those. I don't know where I put them. But I did buy lots of silicones when I was, this is the reason I bought the knitting machine, is to do scarves for donation. And this way you can shrink your yarn stash, which I'm trying to do. So if I knit a scarf, that means that I have knit 100 grams of yarn for one scarf. Yeah, that's what I usually do. Sorry about the mess. I have lots of yarn. And this is my craft room, so I don't care. Just come here and do my thing and just leave it. I know, see? The fiber. It holds. So I have never tried this brand on the knitting machine, so let's see how it's gonna work. Oh, okay, here we go. The first row I usually, let's zero this. Usually for a scarf I use up 100 grams, so that's more than 300 rows. This one, it was 370 rows, so it's pretty long. So the first row I do it slowly. I think it's going nice. I'm hoping no stuck, no loose stitches. Okay, it's going nice. Usually it does that right away if there's something wrong. But again, these silicones helps me a lot. I tried everything. I tried fabric softener. I tried, oh my goodness, everything that you can think about. Like I wetted a fabric and then used even that. But I couldn't find, this is the best solution. It helps a lot. So I would highly recommend, if you're knitting, you have a knitting machine, don't give up. So I did replace this. I found the parts from Temu again, and I bought an extra for this. I have that here, and I think I bought a handle just in case if it breaks down, and I think I bought a counter as well because the counter stopped working and I fixed it. That's the reason I bought a new one. I thought it wasn't gonna work, but it worked. Okay, so this is working pretty good. Let me just continue knitting, and I will come back to show you how it looks like. But so far it looks pretty good, and I am speeding. This is really good. Fantastic. Yeah, so and it's knitting up nicely. It's not that thick. Okay, let me just knit a couple of rows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have knit about 50 rows exactly, and this is how it looks like. So my arms are a little bit tired because this is my third scarf today, and I think it's looking pretty good, and I love this yarn. I paid about well, exactly, when you round it, it's $9 per ball. So that's our goal, to spend $10 and under to make a scarf. So I don't know how long this is going to be. So I will post the finished look on the shorts and you can see it as well. So you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.